Remember, 50% of the votes are from the televoting and 50% are from the national juries. So let's begin by getting the votes from San Marino. Good evening, John Kennedy. May we have your votes?
Ciao Petra, buonasera Europa. Hjärtliga hälsningar till alla i Malmo. Yes, greetings to everybody in Malmo and all around the world tonight from San Marino, Eurovision's smallest country, but with a very big decision. So here are our scores from San Marino. So those are the first 7 points. Our 8 points goes to France.
La France, 8 points.
The 10 points go to Malta.
Malte, 10 points.
And the first 12 points of 2013, le 12 points from San Marino, goes to Greece.
La Grèce, 12 points. Thank you. Okay, moving on.